Most people ask the wrong question. They ask, what is the best AI model? But in 2026, that question is too simple. The professional answer is not one winner. It is a model picker system. You choose the model by mission. Because coding, search, writing, health, research, images, video, and agents do not need the same brain. For coding, start with Claude. When the job is production software, Claude is strong for architecture, refactoring, code review, and long code base work. It is not just about generating code. It is about understanding the projects, spotting risk, keeping the plan coherent, and improving the implementation without breaking the system. If the job is terminal-heavy engineering, use GPT-5.5. GPT is better when the model must read files, run commands, test, fix, and continue. Real coding is not a snippet. It is navigation, execution, validation, and iteration. That is where tool use and agent workflow matter. If the mission is open or cost-efficient coding agents, test GLM 4.5, Qwen, DeepSeek, and MiniMax. These models matter because not every workflow can pay frontier prices forever. At scale, cost, latency, deployment control, and open ecosystem support can be just as important as a benchmark win. For search, do not just ask for the smartest chatbot. Search is about retrieval, current information, citations, and verification. That is why Perplexity is the first pick for web answers. Use Perplexity to find the sources, then use GPT or Claude to analyze, simplify, and turn the research into something useful. For writing, Claude is the taste pick. It is strong for structure, scripts, essays, and making long-form writing feel more human. Use Claude when you want judgment, taste, and editing. Use GPT 5.5 when the writing is connected to files, automation, research, business workflows, or tool execution. For reasoning and math, GPT 5.5 Pro is the safest broad default. It is strong across coding, logic, technical research, and hard mixed tasks. Gemini DeepThink is the model I would test for science and engineering problems. DeepSeek, GLM, Qwen, and MiniMax matter when cost, openness, and high-volume reasoning matter. Health is different. Do not use any AI model as your doctor. Use GPT 5.5 for plain language explanation, summaries, and better questions. Use Perplexity when you need citations. AI can help you prepare for a professional conversation, but it should not make the final medical decision. For research, split the job. Perplexity finds and cites. GPT 5.5 Pro analyzes papers, PDFs, code, and technical material. Claude edits the final argument and makes the explanation stronger. That three-model stack is more reliable than asking one chatbot to do everything from search to final script. For agents, start with GPT 5.5 and Claude. GPT is strong when the agent must use tools and continue through a task. Claude is strong when the workflow needs planning and careful judgment. GLM 4.5 belongs in the test set when you want open and value-driven agent workflows. For multimodal work, start with Gemini. If the mission includes images, charts, screenshots, video, spatial reasoning, or GUI work, Gemini should be on screen first. GLM 4.5v is also worth testing for vision language and GUI agent workflows. For image generation, Seedream 4.0 gets the creative image slot. Use it for high-end creative output, editing, style, and production assets. Use GPT image for practical thumbnails, text edits, carousels, and marketing visuals. Use Midjourney when the goal is art direction. Use Firefly inside Adobe and commercial creative workflows. For video generation, Seedance gets the pure AI video slot. It is the pick for motion quality and multi-shot storytelling. Use Veo 3 when you want filmmaker workflow and audio. Use Sora 2 for realistic audio-video generation. Use Runway when production control matters. Use MiniMax Halo when you want fast creator experiments and value. So here is the final rule. For coding, use Claude or GPT. For search, use Perplexity. For writing, use Claude. For reasoning, use GPT Pro or Gemini DeepSeek. For images, test Seedream and GPT Image. For video, test Seedance, Veo, Sora, Runway, and MiniMax. Professionals wrote models. Beginners chase rankings.